Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Unique Creations. Today I'm going to create some large turtles, caramel chocolate turtles with pecans. The first thing I'm going to do, I have my oven on 275. I'm going to put the pecans in there for like maybe about 10 minutes. I'm just going to roast them somewhat, and then I'll pull them out and we'll go to the next step. And I also have my Ghirardelli's milk chocolate. I'm going to be using that. Also going to be using a stick of butter, melted butter. I have my caramel in the double boiler and I have that melting. So I'm going to get started with this first. I'm going to put my pecans in the oven just to roast them for like 10 minutes on 275. Next, I melted a stick of butter and I'm going to pour it on the pecans. Put them back in the oven for like 5 minutes. Stir them all up so the butter be evenly around the pecans. Then I'm gonna put them back in the oven for like 5 more minutes. So I did the double boiler. I wanted to melt my caramel. So this is the caramel that I'm gonna be using. Mrs. Richardson, the sea salt caramel. It's delicious. And this is my Ghirardelli's milk chocolate. So the pebbles has melted. So the next thing I have to do is just take my pecans out the oven and go from there. And my pecans, what I'm gonna do is add a little sea salt on them. Put them in the bowl here because I'm gonna kind of like mix them up. So just a little bit of sea salt, not much. It depends on your taste. Evenly distribute the salt. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of mix mine in here together. I'm gonna mix my chocolate in here. And the melted chocolate. I'm gonna put it all in here. But that's how I'm gonna start off creating my turtles. Rinse my hands off here. And next I'm gonna add a little of my caramel in here with the pecans and the chocolate. Just get it a little mixture here. Mix them up. So what I'm doing now is mixing them. The caramel and the chocolate with the pecans. Next thing I'm gonna do is put them out on this sheet here. Gonna get a little messy here for me, but that's fine. So I'm spreading them out on the sheet. Gonna make 6 of them here on this cookie pan I have here. So it'll be 6 massive turtles. Definitely gonna get messy, but that's all right. Because you want them kind of like clumped together, your pecans. Okay, so now I have them on the sheet here. Then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Let me just rinse my hands off, rinse the gloves off. Hit them down, spread them out a little more. You can make your turtles whatever size you want to make it. I just want to make some large ones, some massive ones. Well, not real large, but large. So the next thing I'll do is I'm going to add my chocolate. So I have 6 here. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to push them down just a little bit, kind of spread them out. Put a little bit more chocolate too over here on this one. And then I'm going to add some caramel. And put a little bit more chocolate on this one. Then I'll add caramel. Like so, like that. And once I'm done spreading the caramel, I'm gonna let them sit in the refrigerator for like 15 to 20 minutes. And I actually might take them out and dip them back in the chocolate because I have some chocolate left over. So it can actually just go under the bottom of it too. So it'll be really good, delicious and gooey. Gooey, gooey. Hey y'all, I almost forgot to film this part because I've eaten one of the turtles and so have my husband. Once the turtles chilled and I had them in the refrigerator for like 15, 20 minutes, I actually took them out and I put me some more caramel on top because I like caramel. But that's just optional. You don't have to do that. But these are the turtles and they turned out really good. They taste delicious. Just like store-bought or even better. So I used Ghirardelli milk chocolate. Melted that. I did the double boiler with the caramel and also the chocolate, a little bit of sea salt, and pecans. And you can basically fix it any way, make them any way you want to make them. You can make it like a whole pan, spread them out in the pan, and you can, once they're done, you can actually cut them into squares, but I prefer to make mine like in the shape of the turtles. That's like when they sell them in the store. So this concludes the video. This is how they're looking. Like I said, my husband has ate one and I've ate one also. So they're pretty delicious. I'll leave the description, the recipe. I'll leave the recipe in the description on my video. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time visiting, please hit the subscribe button. I want to thank everybody who follows me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.